Are you tired of seeing endless console spam from Firebase Analytics every time your app starts? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle how to completely disable Firebase Analytics to clean up your console output. I totally get it. Console spam can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to debug your app. It makes it hard to see the important messages that actually matter. You're definitely not the only one facing this issue. Here's the situation. One user reached out saying they installed the Google sign-in CocoaPod, which relies on Firebase Analytics. They don't want Firebase Analytics at all, but it keeps spamming their console with multiple lines of output. Sound familiar? Let's dive into how we can solve this. So why is this happening? Firebase Analytics is designed to provide insights, but if you don't need it, it can be more of a nuisance than a help. We'll explore how to disable it effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will help you manage your console output even better. To completely disable Firebase Analytics and stop the console spam, the user should first open their project's info.plist file. Next, the user needs to add a new key to the info.plist file. This key is called Firebase Analytics Collection Enabled. After adding this key, the user should also ensure that they have set the Firebase Analytics Collection Deactivated environment variable to yes. This can be done in the scheme settings. Finally, the user should clean and rebuild their project to apply these changes. This will help ensure that Firebase Analytics is fully disabled. By following these steps, the user should no longer see the Firebase Analytics console messages when the app starts. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Firebase was launched in 2011? It has come a long way since then, but sometimes less is more. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution involves adjusting settings in Xcode. First, open the scheme by pressing Command, Shift, and the comma key. Then select Run Debug on the left and go to the Arguments tab. Here, add -debug disabled to the arguments passed on launch section. This will disable debug mode for Firebase, including Firebase Analytics. If you're not using Firebase Analytics, you can also modify your appdelegate.swift file. Add the line firebase configuration.share.set-logger-level.min to reduce console output. Additionally, you can edit Google's info.plist to set Firebase to NO to further limit its functionality. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Regularly review your dependencies and remove any that you don't need. This keeps your project clean and efficient. And there you have it. You should now have a cleaner console without the Firebase Analytics spam. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.